Hello guys, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to discuss our project management dashboard that we are using to manage our clients. So this is the portal or the dashboard that we use. So it's called spp.io. They are really great for both client and also the white label agency collaboration. And this is very self-explanatory, very easy to use. And right now I'm going to demonstrate on how you can use this platform. All right. So this is connected. For first, we added all the services that we have here on the website, on the shop page that we have. So you can see all the services that we are offering. Okay, from SaaS link building services, content writing, social media marketing, link building, WordPress web design, a lot of links, web design, e-commerce web design. Okay, so this is the process. So for example, if you subscribe our service here, then you will be redirected here, right? Once here, if you like the service that we have, then this is the instruction, this is the inclusion, and then you can see if one logo, just add one. If multiple logo, just add two, add your email, and then check out. So once it's done, then it will be added to your dashboard. So for example, this is your dashboard. Okay, so you can see here the order and the information of the order, the subscription, and also the invoice you paid. You can also see the status. So this is the client name, the status, if it's working, if it's pending, and when this project will due. So you can see everything here. So basically, let's say for example you have client, then it will be added here, or if this is you, you will be added here. Okay, now they will be added to your dashboard as soon as possible. The next step is we're going to do the onboarding call. So during the onboarding call, we will set up another call meeting and then discuss, and we will start our work. If you want to know the process that we are doing for our white label agency, just watch the other video which called our white label SEO process the right way. Okay, just go on that and watch the video. So now let's dive more deeper here, because this is the first time you use the dashboard, so you need to familiarize how this will work and how you can use this one. Starts here, this is the dashboard, and then your orders. Again, all your orders will be added here, the title, the created, completed, status. You can also see the files here, right? So you can also see all the files or your files that you added here. If you have questions, just create a ticket and we will respond to your ticket. But I have the live chat integration, so it's added here in the right section. Right now you cannot see it because I have my camera here, but yeah, it's color orange in the right section of my screen, right? Okay, but you can also create a ticket and we will respond to that right away. Knowledge base, basically in the word knowledge base, so everything that we have in the company will be added here, a guideline, so you can also understand our process, and also maybe your questions is already here, then it will be answered right away. All right, and so this is the service section that we have. So by the way, this is also sync from our website services pages. So for example, this one, SaaS link building, it will also added here in the link building section that we have. Yeah, it will be added here as well, because we have a lot of services there. So if you cannot subscribe here on the website, then you can see it still inside the purchase service. This is very self-explanatory. Just go to add to cart, view cart, and then check out. Then once it's there, then once you subscribe, it will be added to your order section. And once it's there, you can see the project details and also what are the included for that project. Okay. For example, someone subscribed to Premium SEO Audit, right? You can see all the information here, the website URL, the industry, keywords, the competitors, and everything. And you can see here it's working and it's already completed. Okay. So they ordered May 22, right? And this is completed already. Now, where can you see the order or the delivery? So just click this SEO audit report. And if you click that one, you will redirect to the actual report of our work. Okay, it's sync here. I'm not going to open this one because you will see our client information and we don't want to share our client information. Okay, so yeah, that's the process. Okay, so first, if you subscribe to our shop page, this is the first thing. Second, order, and then once we see your order, then you will be added to our dashboard here. Okay, you can see your order here, right? Then you need to fill up the intake form so we can start. Now, once you fill up the intake form, we can start our work, and then all the intake form will be added here, and then just click the SEO audit report to see your work delivered. Now, let's move forward. Again, you can see all our services here in this section. Okay, if you want to subscribe, this is a category. So you can see all the services that we have here if you click this category. So we have a lot of services that you can subscribe. Okay. Next, invoices, very self-explanatory. You can see your invoices here, how much you pay. If you pay for monthly, you can see here the payments. You can see here as well. And if you want to promote our product or service, this is your link. Just use this to send it to your prospects. Or if you want to become a reseller, just follow this one. All right. So this is the dashboard that we are using. By the way, this is very self-explanatory. And also we have feature here as well. Let's say, for example, this is me responding. And this is our operation manager responding. I just want to ask for some feedback about our work. Okay. So he said, hi, thank you for notifying me. The audit was complete. Just looking at the audit, the link building tab doesn't look like it's been worked on. But we explained to him, we checked the backlinks, but upon checking, you have a lot of links and only 3 organic traffic. A lot of work there. That's why we suggest to do all the work in the link building section. Okay. So again, the report will be added here. That's it. So you can also add your question and clarification inside this project so we can track everything. So this is our project dashboard that we are using. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And later on for my next video, I'm going to discuss our team project dashboard because this is a client project dashboard. Okay. And by the way, we have a white label SEO services. If you're looking for white label SEO services, just go here, kherkroldanseo.com, click white label SEO, watch the video for you to understand more about our service or schedule a call here if you have follow-up questions. And we have a discounts for our clients. So if you will order 2 or more subscription, then you'll get more discount for the higher subscription as well. Click this link for you to request for a code, or again, you cannot see this live chat section because it's added with my image right now, but click this one. So for you to get the promo code, but just follow that one. It's added in the right section here. So you can request for a code. All right. That's it for now. Thank you and have a great day.